So now that you have a whole bunch of assets in your wallet, you have Min, you have Snec, you have whatever it might be, you want to hold on to those assets. And a good way to earn some extra revenue for holding those assets is to provide it as liquidity onto the Minswap DEX. From there, you earn liquidity protocol fees. There may be farming rewards on there as well, so you can do some yield farming, and then you can harvest those rewards or collect the rewards at any point in time, and then compound them back into the platform and continue that process, earning you more and more rewards. So for a little bit of work on the platform, you can compound and grow your assets without needing to trade or sell them. So this is a really cool feature on a lot of decentralized exchanges, but Minswap have made it really quick and easy to do so. So let's have a look at how this all works. So here I am on the Minswap DEX, and I've gone to earn farms. And these are all the various farms that they have on the platform. They're essentially liquidity pools with bonus rewards on them. If I look at some of them here, such as World Mobile and the ADA liquidity pool, it has a 12.044% APR. So that is quite nice. And what do I get for rewards from this? I get Min and also ADA if I provide liquidity on there. That's really cool. But if you have a look at some of these other pools here, as this Fluid Tokens and ADA one, this is a special one because it gives you 3 different tokens. It gives you Min tokens, ADA, and also the Fluid Tokens token there as well. So it's kind of nice that you get a lot more for it by providing those extra assets. This one here required a special NFT to do so, but it gave you that extra booster rewards. So there's some really cool things that you need to look out for in regards to the rewards to try and maximize what you get out of it. Majority of the pools do just give you the Min and ADA rewards there, which is quite nice in itself. So let's go and see exactly how to do this on the platform. I'm going to do this with the Min ADA pool, and here I can now stake some assets here. But before I do, I need to add liquidity to the platform. So here I'm going to click on Add Liquidity. And this will take me to the liquidity screen, which can be found under Earn Liquidity. And here I will now deposit 200 Min tokens. And it will also tell me that I need to deposit the equivalent amount of ADA as well. So all the pools are made up of 2 tokens. One being your Cardano native asset, which might be Min tokens, for example, and then the other trading pair that is against it. In this case, it's ADA. So I need to put in the equivalent amount of both of those tokens. So here now I can see my transaction all looks good. I'll get a minimum amount of liquidity pool tokens from this. My pool share is very small. This is only very small amounts. I can click on Add Liquidity, type in my transaction password, sign, submit. And now I have some liquidity on the Minswap DEX. Really exciting. I can start earning some fees of this particular platform. And there we go. We can already see my liquidity appear on the DEX. So this is my liquidity. You can get to that again under Earn Liquidity. You can see your actual positions and what you might actually earn. From here, I can click on Remove. I can move that liquidity out. I can click on 100%, click on Remove and take out that liquidity, or add more liquidity to that. I just click on Add More, then type in the amount I want to add. It will calculate it, and then I can add more liquidity and some rewards of that. But let's get back to that farming now. Because I have the liquidity added to the DEX, I can now stake that liquidity and lock it into the smart contracts on the platform and earn some rewards from it. So I have that liquidity on there. You could see that before in the step before. Now I can click on 100%. I want to put all of those Min ADA liquidity pool tokens into this particular smart contract to start earning those rewards. So here it is. I've clicked on 100%. All my tokens will be locked. I'll click on stake. Everything here looks good. 2 assets going out being a little bit of ADA for this transaction fee and my Min V2 LP tokens. So I'll click on here, sign and submit. And there we go. So now it's submitting my liquidity pool tokens from my wallet to the actual DEX itself. So here on my wallet, you could see that LP tokens. That's now leaving my wallet and being locked into this particular smart contract to start earning me extra farming rewards. So I can see that's being complete. So let's click on Earn Liquidity, and I can click on my farms here. And I can see that farm here that's I've just added in that liquidity. And now I have some LP locked into earning rewards on the platform itself. How easy was that?